Why does your scanner show the P3425 engine code? What does it mean? P3425 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 4 deactivation or intake valve control circuit, or open. This error code indicates a problem with the intake valve control circuit for the fourth cylinder, specifically that it's either not functioning or is open. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. PCM issues: low engine oil level, wiring problems, cylinder deactivation solenoid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge Charger, Chrysler 300C, Chevrolet Silverado, and GMC Sierra. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.